What's up, guys? I got something special for you today. Got a new pair of sandals to replace my old ones here. These are the ACTIBREEZE 3D sandals. And right now I'm wearing these Reef Phantoms, and they're already pretty squishy, but I've had them for a while. I want to get something new. So let's see if these ACTIBREEZE are any better. Just got these today. Let's check them out. Very cool. I got the blue pair. They look pretty wild. So they're 3D printed, and it looks like it's like a rubber mesh. And it's pretty squishy, actually. You can see that. Very squishy. You can see all the way through the sandal. So it's mesh all the way through. I bet it breathes really well. Pretty neat. Got them from StockX. They do a verification process because these are not cheap. I ended up paying about $180 for these guys. But if you can find them in stock, they're never in stock, then you can probably get them for a little bit cheaper, maybe like $80 from the manufacturer if you ever find them in stock. That's really cool. Let's try them on, guys. Let's see what we think. Oh yeah, so much better. Look at that. Can you see that, guys? See how the heel on the Reef doesn't really squish that much? It does give a little bit. But now look at this sandal. Look at the ACTIBREEZE. See all that give right there?
No.
It's a lot more cushioning. Pretty cool, guys. Really neat. That's an experience I haven't felt before from any shoes. This 3D technology is really, really nice. I'm liking them, guys. If you had any questions of whether or not you should buy a pair of these, if you get the opportunity and you can find them, I'd definitely say go ahead and give them a shot. It's probably the most comfortable slide on the market right now. It's very hard to come by. Look at the flex. Look at the flex on that. Very cool. Super soft, guys. Check them out. ACTIBREEZE 3D by ASICS. See you guys.